Happy Friday, Fort Benning. Welcome to our weekly series Up Close with MWR. I'm Dory, and this week we're hanging out at the Mall Bowling Center located right beside the commissary on Main Post. Whether you're an avid bowler or just looking to pick up a game every once in a while, you don't have to go far to eat, play, and bowl. The Mall Bowling Center on Fort Benning offers a first-class bowling experience with a pro shop, snack bar, and paper and electronic bingo. Today we're going to take a look around the Mall Bowling Center and learn a little bit about their current offerings. Let's rock and bowl.
Hey there, Fort Benning. I'm Jackie, and I'm the business manager here at the Mall Bowling Center. Thank you for joining us today at one of our best places to be in your spare time. We got a lot to share with you today, including bowling and meal deals and an opportunity to bowl free, so just stick around. At both of our MWR bowling facilities, we are now offering something special for our frequent bowlers. Taking advantage of our new punch cards at the Mall Bowling Center, where you can bowl 9 games and get the 10th game for free. As a token of our appreciation, the Mall Bowling Center is celebrating Veterans Day all month long. Every Wednesday in November, current and prior service members can enjoy 2 hours of unlimited bowling for free from noon to 2:30 p.m. Shoe rentals are included, and this offer is open to veterans with proof of service. Leave no pin standing and join us next Wednesday to enjoy your free game of bowling. The best part about the Mall Bowling Center is you can snack, drink, and bowl all in one place. For a limited time, we are offering unbeatable selections of bowling and meal deals. Little Bulldozers is perfect for little ones under 13 who want to bowl and enjoy corn dogs and drinks for only $15. Spare Me is perfect for lovebirds or partners in crime at just $35 and includes a 12-inch pizza, 8 traditional wings, mozzarella sticks, and 2 fountain pitchers. Make it a party with our Lucky Strikes deal, which serve up to 7 people and consists of 2 12-inch pieces, 4 tenders, and 3 fountain pitchers for just $65. All of our meals deals at the Mall Bowling Center include food, beverage, and shoe rentals and unlimited bowling for up to 3 hours. The snack bar at the Mall Bowling Center offers a wide variety of menu items. From salads, burgers, and wings to hot dogs, nachos, pizza, our mouth-watering menu may leave you speechless, but never hungry. Order while you play and have your favorite menu item delivered right to your lane. Our snack bar selection doesn't stop at the tasty food. Order a round of drinks while you play with your friends and family. With our wide selection of beer, the Mall Bowling Snack Bar has plenty of options to keep your party entertained.
Thanks for tuning in with us today at the Mall Bowling Center. You can find more details about the Mall Bowling Center and all of the specials we share today on our website and Facebook page. Start planning your next outing and make your lane reservations today. We'll see you next week for Up Close with MWR.